Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Hello, Tejas.
I'm the first person who joined here.
Yes. Yes. Okay. No talking. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Mute yourself and open your camera. Mute yourself and open your camera.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, madam.
Good morning. Please switch on. Uh, Mute yourself and
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Admit.
Ma'am, I think today will be
Good morning, ma'am.
Sorry, Tejas.
the new students, right?
First, we will introduce them, and then.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Good morning.
Ma'am, I made something I want to show you.
What, Tejas? What are you saying?
ma'am. Good
I
morning,
made
ma'am.
something I want to show you.
You
In
are
chapter
okay.
1's van, ice cream van I made.
Ice
Chapter
cream.
1.
Very nice. I'll see. Send it to me. Send to me.
Okay, ma'am, I'll send.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. I will tell you the name afterwards. After 5 minutes after joining, I will tell the name for the attendance. If you think your name is not there, you can write it in the write in the chat box your attendance. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Write your name in the chat box for attendance.
Yeah.
Please mute yourself. No voice should
Good
come
morning,
from your
ma'am.
houses. Good morning. Please mute
Good
yourself.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Abdullah. Mute yourself. No voice should come from your houses. Shrestha, yes. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Jayendra.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. I am ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Udashri present.
Yes. Please don't write it in the chat box.
Good
Don't need
morning,
to say. Write the name in the chat box. I will read and I'll mark. Okay. Just write your name in the chat box. I'll see. Revant. Okay. And Vrinda is here. Shrestha, Reshma, Deepa. So write your name. Chat box will only be used for giving attendance. Nothing else. No chatting. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, new joiner, ma'am.
Sorry, Shrestha.
New student, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Today we will have a little introduction of new. Okay. You will just say your name.
Good
Fifth
morning, ma'am.
A and B. Old students. You have to welcome them. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So 30.
Yes, ma'am. We have to welcome them. Ma'am, I am a new student.
Ma'am, when I am seeing everybody, सबका कैमरा ऑफ दिख रहा है.
This
Because
can't be possible, na?
present.
Okay, mute yourself. Fifth A and B. Fifth A and B. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, present, ma'am.
I will tell you the names and then you can listen. Okay. Mute yourself first of all. Mute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. Shanmukh sir present.
Write your name in the chat box. Fifth A and B. Fifth A and B. Write your name in the chat box and keep yourself muted. Wait a second. Wait.
Who is Veera Mani? Don't comb your hair
morning, sir.
during the class.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good
Sit
morning,
properly.
Leslie present. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Now on the count of three, please stop talking and mute yourself. Everybody. Everybody on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. I said mute yourself.
Okay.
Bashir baat busy hai, busy hai. Please mute. D Kaveri,
Please
please mute
mute
yourself.
yourself. Mute yourself. There can be
D
some
Kaveri,
voice.
the option is there.
Fifth A and B, there can be voice from my side. So please keep yourself mute. Some work is going on outside. So there can be little bit voice. If you will also unmute, then all the voices will, you know now what will happen.
Navneet and Viva, sit properly.
So after 4 minutes, we will start the class at 11. Till then, others will join.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Madam, let's welcome all the entries, new entries.
Yes, sir. You start with the introduction. Let's start with the introduction first, okay? Then I'll start with the class.
From
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ishant. Mute yourself. Kaveri, mute yourself. Kaveri, mute yourself. G Shrinika, mute yourself. G Shrinika, mute yourself.
Present, ma'am.
I will take the names of present. Don't worry.
okay, we will call one by one. Let's start from 5th A, madam.
Yes,
Shall I
sir.
start?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you take the names 5th A and 5th B. They will.
Okay. First of all, I would like to call Varun Raj.
Varun Nansawat Varun Raj. I think he has not joined.
Varun Raj, am I audible to you?
Varun Raj.
Okay, next.
He is not in the class.
Okay, Revant. Mamidi Revant.
Revant.
Please mute yourself. Shraddha Devi. Who's Shraddha Devi here? Mute yourself.
Hashwita.
Good morning.
I think Hashwita.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Revant. Yes, good morning.
Good morning, sir. I am Raymond from 5th class. Already I studied 4th class in Government Technical School, sir.
Which school?
In Government Technical School.
Okay. Tell us about yourself, Beta. Some more points. Say hi to your new friends also.
Hi, friends. This is
Kindly
Raymond.
do not unmute yourself. Just wave your hand like this. Okay. Okay. Anything else, Beta? If you want to share.
I have self-confidence on myself.
That is good.
Good.
Playing is my hobby.
Playing. What do you like to
Any
play? What do you like to play? Playing is your hobby. So what kind of activity you take up in playing?
Kabaddi and cricket.
Kabaddi and
Okay, I
cricket.
think playing is a common
Yes, it's a common
hobby.
hobby.
Yeah.
So kabaddi and cricket. So you will have many friends here. They all have common one thing. They love to play kabaddi.
Okay, now madam from 5th. Anything else, Beta?
No, sir.
Okay,
Any
so
query?
5th.
No.
Okay.
From 5th B.
Thank
Now
you, sir.
mute yourself. Revant, mute yourself.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
From 5th B, madam.
5th B. Vrinda. Vrinda. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Unmute yourself and introduce yourself.
My name is Vrinda Malatkar. I studied in global
Please, Ishan,
Okay.
please mute yourself. Stop listening. Huh? Yes, Brinda. Continue. Brinda,
Yes, sir.
continue.
My name is Vrinda Malatkar. I came from I studied in Global Grade International School last year.
Your hobbies.
Attend
भैया आपको कितना देर लगेगा?
Okay, anything else?
कितना देर लगेगा?
Say hello to your new friends also.
Hi everyone.
Okay, say hi. Do not unmute, just leave your. Okay, next.
Sir, new student,
Okay,
sir.
now, mute yourself.
Please mute yourself.
Anji Chinna, please mute yourself. Who's Anji Chinna here?
Ankita.
Next is Ankita. Please mute yourself. She will
Ankita, mute
call
yourself.
you. Okay.
Okay.
Wait for your turn.
Sir, new
Now
student,
next
sir.
is V Sai Krishna from 5th A. V Sai Krishna.
He is not here, sir.
Am I audible
Call
to V Sai
Varun Raj.
Krishna?
I think.
Please respond. First
भैया
of
थोड़ा
all,
जल्दी
unmute.
कीजिए प्लीज बहुत आवाज आ रहा है
Yes.
ओके थैंक यू
Now tell us about yourself, beta. Few lines.
ओके सो
Vrinda, please mute yourself.
हु इज स्पीकिंग नाउ वी साई
V
कृष्ण
Sai Krishna.
he is not in the class I think Varun Raj you can call Varun Raj he joined Varun Raj
Okay, Varun Raj.
Varun Raj can you hear me Varun Raj
Okay, Sanvi, please mute yourself. Just write your name there.
rest of you please rest students K Kaushik mute yourself nobody will speak anything in between
Ma'am, but yesterday in origami session you said that we will only have this introduction session.
yes so they are introducing themselves now to you they are telling your name and from where they Nivas stop presenting Nivas
Sir, ma'am,
Nivas stop presenting okay
Oh, okay.
I think
Ma'am, Nivas is sharing na.
Neva my it has stopped working now don't present in between 5th A and B
Finish introducing
5th A
yourself.
and B don't
So बीच
present
में
in
नहीं
between
बोलना है किसी ने भी. अभी रुको थोड़ी देर ना.
don't speak in between now
Okay, call from 5th B, madam. They are
5th
not
B
responding.
Ankita 5th B Ankita 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 introduce yourself your name from where are you and your hobbies to your other classmates okay okay tell your name
My name is Ankita, teacher.
okay where do you live
Anything else?
where do you live what do you like what are your hobbies and just say hello to your all the friends
I'm living in Hyderabad, teacher.
okay
Ma'am,
Just
voice
say
is
hello.
speaking na.
just say hello to your
Krishna
friends
Yadav, please do not unmute yourself.
just say hello to everyone
Stop and turn on your camera. Krishna Yadav. Who's Krishna Yadav here? Turn on your camera.
hello
Either
okay
one you will be here.
so Ankita now unmute mute yourself now Switch off your
Now the
Varun
next
Raj.
is
Varun Raj, please mute yourself. Okay.
okay. Next is
Swatika,
Kritika.
mute yourself. No need to unmute.
Kritika. Desaraju Kritika.
Kritika is here.
Kritika, am I audible to you? Tell us about yourself, beta. Kritika.
She joined and I think she is gone, right?
Okay, next.
She joined, but I think she left.
Srija. Srija here.
Yes, Shrija, Muniganti Shrija, 5th A.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
just
Okay,
introduce
tell us
yourself.
about yourself, beta. Introduce yourself to your new friends.
Madam, today my name is Srija.
Wait 1 minute. Ananya and
I am in
Dinesh,
5th A.
please don't chat in the chat box. I already told you, chat box is not for chatting. It's just for marking the attendance. Nobody will chat, I am Sanvi, I am this. Nobody will write anything in the chat box. Not allowed in the class. I hope I'm clear to everyone. Nobody will write. Swatika, Trinesh, no need to write any message. No chatting in the chat box. Okay. Shrija, introduce yourself fast, then we have to start up with our class. Just tell your name, your hobbies, and
My
say
name is
hello.
Srija, ma'am.
Tell your hobbies and say hello.
My name is Srija.
Yes.
My hobby is reading and dancing.
Reading and
Okay, very
dancing. Okay, good.
Now V Sai Krishna is here. V Sai Krishna.
No, she is not. From let me take from 5th B. 5th B, Shrestha. Shrestha is here. 5th B. Shrestha, can you hear me? Okay, introduce yourself, your name, your hobbies, and say hello to your friends. Shanmukh, mute yourself. Okay, just say
My name is Shrestha from St. Anne's High School, and my hobby is dancing. And hello.
okay. Next
Very
from good. Next from 5th A. So take name.
Desaraju Kritika.
She joined, but I think she left then.
Kritika. Am I audible? Okay, Dhruvika Ghosh and Ananya. If you want to talk again, then you can. Okay. No need,
No
no?
need.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Shall we
so
start the chapter?
last one is left in 5th B. Let me take up 5th B. Suman. K. Suman. Bharani. Suman, can you hear me? Suman,
Yes.
are you here? Okay, just show up your face and introduce yourself. Tell your name and your hobbies and just say hello to everyone, to your classmates.
Good morning, sir and madam. I am K. Bharani. I am from Shemshabad.
Good.
Hi, friends.
Can you hear me? Suman?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, good. So, 5th, sir, anyone is left? 5th?
You are not responding.
Okay, so let
Start
me.
the chapter, madam.
Okay,
Without disturbing.
so now let's start with our chapter EVS. I have given. Please mute yourself now on my 3 count. Mute yourself.
Swatika, sit properly.
Tejas, mute yourself. Ankita, mute yourself. Nobody will speak in between now. I have given you 2 videos of next chapter, that is seeds and seeds in EVS. Okay, I will take up that chapter, but we will not complete it in this session. We will take half of the chapter. Okay, so nobody will present in between anything that will stop my presentation. Okay, and nobody will unmute. Am I clear? Okay. Ankita, mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sanvi, mute your DP. I will not take the name one by one. So I am presenting the screen. Ishant, stop presenting. Ishant, stop presenting. Okay.
Stop presenting, beta.
Okay. So
Listen to the man. Okay.
I am presenting the screen. Nobody will present in between.
Ma'am, Ankita is not come, ma'am.
Don't say in between anything. Mute yourself.
Anything.
Mute yourself, Nitish.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the chapter. Okay. Fifth chapter.
Somebody is presenting.
Please mute yourself if A and B. This is the last warning. Otherwise, I will remove you from the class, or else I will stop teaching. You complete your syllabus yourself. Do you want me to do this? This will be my final step. So if please mute yourself. Otherwise, else I will remove you or I'll remove myself. So mute yourself. So our next chapter is seeds and seeds. Okay. One by one, I am reading it for you. So because time is very less, so I am reading the chapter and then by side I'll show you the activity and the pictures. Okay. Gopal was waiting for his Mossy family to visit them. They will be coming the next day for their holidays. He was thinking about all the fun and nice food that he would have with his cousins. So, Gopal's Mossy was to visit them. Wait, somebody is joining. Gopal's Mossy was to visit them and in the next day for their holidays. It was the holiday time and they were to visit Gopal's house. Okay. Just then his mother called out, Gopal, before you sleep, remember to saw 2 small bowls, katoris of chana. Have you seen chana at your home?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So she was going to his, don't say yes again. One can say yes. She was going to his Bua's house and would return only in the morning. So Gopal's mother was going to the Bua's house and she would come in the morning. So she told Gopal to soak 2 katoris of chana. So now as he was soaking the chana, Gopal thought, now this is Gopal. Okay. So what did Gopal thought? How will 2 small bowls of this enough for 8 persons? So he thought, how will it will not be enough for the 8 persons. So he soaked another 2 bowls of chana. When his mother returned the next morning, she saw that the chana were overflowing from the vessel. How much did you soak? His mother asked. How much did you soak? Asked his mother. How did that happen? Wondered Gopal. Now Gopal was surprised to see something. What did he do? I will show you with the picture. Okay. What did Gopal do? See here. These are the chanas. Okay. Okay. Now soaking in water. After this, what happened? What did Gopal do? Next.
Ma'am,
Yes.
your voice is speaking, ma'am.
Ishant, please wait.
Please
Okay.
wait. It will not
Do
stop.
not interrupt the class.
Okay, next what happened? I'll show you. See this picture, okay? Is it visible? 50 NB. So these are the dry chana which was soaked by Gopal. Gopal soaked the dry chana and what happened in the morning? This is overnight he did it in a small bowl and what happened the next day? The chana were overflowing, they were coming out of the bowl, okay, and they swelled up. What happened? They swelled up in the morning and they were coming out of the bowl.
Ma'am, what is meant by swelled?
स्वेल मीन्स इन हिंदी हम उसे कहते हैं थोड़े से फूल जाते हैं, मोटे हो जाना, फूल जाना, ठीक है। स्वेलिंग मीन्स
Ma'am,
when water enters the seeds it gets swelled up, थोड़े से फूल जाते हैं।
ma'am,
ओके, तो
Ma'am.
लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड। यस, एनी डाउट?
Madam,
यस, यस
yes.
सर।
Who's talking? Who's talking? Any doubt?
So let's move forward.
Who's saying continuously, ma'am, ma'am?
Somebody is joining. Wait,
Yes, tell me.
wait.
Yes, now respond now. What happened? Abdullah, please mute yourself.
Okay, so
Continue, ma'am.
shall I continue?
Yes, continue.
So now why did this happen? How does this happen? Why they swell up in the morning? So see this picture. See, these are dry seeds. Can you see dry seeds? This is chana. Okay. After soaking in water, the chana becomes like this. It becomes like this. Okay. Please mute yourself.
Ma'am, because it enters.
Water enters the seed. Okay. Water enters the dry chana and they get swelled up. So why do they swell up? Because every seed is covered with a seed coat. There is a seed coat. Yes, you can see this cover here. This is called seed coat. Okay, every seed is covered with this seed coat, and when the water enters this seed, the chana gets swelled up. Okay, and it becomes soft. If you will put nail, see this is dry chana. Please mute yourself. If you will put nail in this dry chana, you will not be able to break it. You can't break it with the nail. Okay, but if you will try to break the soaked chana, if you will try to break this soaked, you will able to break it easily. How? Because water enters the seed coat and makes them soft. After soaking it becomes very soft and you can easily break them. Seeds absorb water and swells up into double of its size. So the size become big and it becomes double. Okay. Now, how does it happen? By absorbing water. Seeds absorbs water. Just like sponge absorbs water. You would have seen sponge at your home. That is very soft. And when it absorbs water, it becomes heavy and it becomes double of its size. Okay. So next come to this. Now what did his mother said? You soaked too much. Anyway, it is good. Now I will cook half of them and leave the half to sprout. Now what is sprout? You all know what is sprout. This is not a new thing. You know.
Yes, ma'am.
I know everybody eats sprouts, right? So how does sprouts come out? That is the main point.
Ma'am, sprout.
How does they come out? What are the conditions to sprout the seeds? That we will see in the next session. Okay. I can send these to your aunt. The doctor has told. Please mute yourself. The doctor has told her to eat sprouts. Mother said she tied half of the soaked chana in the wet cloth and hung them up to sprout. Now, wait. Somebody is joining. Okay, so now what happened next? I'll show you the picture first and then I will show you one video. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
How does sprouts come out? We will do it by one activity. Okay. I have to close this and I have to open it. Please mute yourself.
Who is Jaya Babu Sai? Sanmukh Sai, please mute yourself.
Okay, see.
Do you have any doubt?
Yes, sir.
What did Gopal's
Do you
mother
have any
do?
doubt?
sir. No, sir.
Please mute yourself. What do you want
Otherwise,
me to do? Wait, let me. Please mute yourself. Rest of.
Who is playing the music?
Ma'am, I do that activity.
I'll give you that homework also, but first mute yourself. Okay, so now see here now. Now these are the sprouted chana And how
Suman,
does
please mute yourself.
sprouts
Her name is Suman.
come out? That we will see with one of the activity. Okay. I will. His mother's hung the
Ma'am, your
chana.
screen is not visible, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Please
Voice is not clear.
don't say this voice is breaking. If you remove yourself and come back again, you are clearly audible to me. So remove yourself and come back again. So this now we will do this. We will read this activity and I'll show you the video. Do you remember in class 4th you did an activity with seeds? Now try one. Take some chana in 3 bowls.
Abdullah, do not eat anything between the class.
Please mute yourself, 5th A and B.
Don't eat it.
You have to take 3 bowls. Please look at it here. I will not explain again. Take some chana in 3 bowls. You have to take 3 bowls and we have to put chana. Put 5 chana in first bowl. Fill it with water. Please don't interrupt in between. Afterwards, doubts afterwards. Okay. This activity last. Ask your doubts at the last. Okay. See this activity here. Wait.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Please mute yourself.
Ma'am.
Okay. Wait, it is
Ma'am, 1
coming.
minute.
What happened?
This activity.
Please don't say you have done. I'll see that also. Wait, somebody was joining.
Ma'am, we should do that activity again.
Ma'am.
I will not tell you what you have to do. Quietly listen first. Don't ask these doubts. I will tell you after the class. See, I have done this activity. Everyone can do this activity at home. Please mute yourself first of all. 5th A and B, mute yourself. I have to stop. Mute yourself.
Mommy is doing this activity daily, na?
Sorry. Okay.
On the alternative day.
Yes, so you can see in this video, this I have done at my home. So this I have done at my home. I am showing you my activity. 5th A and B, will you mute yourself or I should stop here? I will stop the class here. Do it yourself.
And Chana ma'am.
I don't want to know what you have done with. I'll give you the homework, then you can give to me. Okay. First see this video, how you have to do the activity. See here. Okay. Okay, so this activity I have done at my home. So you are seeing the activity which I have done. Okay. See, I have taken some chana, and this is not white chana, black, and some moong. Okay. You have to take 3 bowls. In first one, you have to put water. Okay, you have to soak the chana and moong in water. Okay. In second one, you have to take some cotton. Okay, and you have to put little water. You have to wet that.
Ma'am, video is breaking, ma'am.
Oh, I am explaining you side by side. Okay, I'll give you this video. You have to soak this
Ma'am,
cotton.
video is breaking.
You have to soak this cotton, and then this one, the first bowl. In second bowl, you have to take some.
breaking, ma'am.
Please don't say this again. Come back again. Leave the class and join again.
Ma'am, video is breaking, ma'am.
Sir, can you see the video clearly?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Sir,
No,
is
ma'am.
5th A and B, those are not able to see the video, please go back and come back again. Leave the class and join again.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, cut हो रहा, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
What happened? Okay.
It
What
is
happened?
not cut. Slowly move हो रही है ना, इसलिए slow filter लगाया है ना आपने.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
नहीं, कुछ नहीं लगाया है.
तो slowly move हो रही है फिर.
Slowly move.
वैसे
Ma'am,
slow
1 minute,
motion.
ma'am.
Okay.
हो रहा है ना वो.
एक मिनट, मैं फिर से लगा रही हूँ. Okay, see from the starting 5th A and B. I'm playing it again. Okay. Then tell me what happens. Okay.
Ma'am, please.
See, I'm playing it from the starting. You have to take 3 bowls. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Who is saying, ma'am? Please tell me the doubt first.
ma'am, mommy also.
Yes.
Ma'am, my mummy also do.
Sorry. Who is saying?
Chana, ma'am, chana.
You can do with chana. You can do with chana, but first see the video, then we will discuss what you have to do. Okay?
My mummy, my
He's
mother
saying
do,
my
ma'am.
he's saying his mother is doing every day
Okay, very nice. This
this
activity is
activity.
very common. You do it every day. Everyone does it every day.
My mother
Okay.
do, ma'am.
I know. Just see the video and then you too have to do by your own hand. Okay. Take 3 bowls. In first one, just soak the chana and moong. Okay. Put little water, and then second you have to put some cotton here, and then you have to wet that cotton. Okay, little water here. You have to just little bit water you will put here in the cotton. Make it wet. Okay, it should be wet. And
Ma'am, my daughter is chana.
put some, now we will put in this that chana. Few you have to take, don't put so many. Okay,
Ma'am, battery is low.
put this
What
in.
happened? Revanti, what happened to you? One second.
In second
Revanti,
one,
what happened?
you have to take the damp cotton and then you have to put the seeds. Okay, you have to put these seeds and you have to soak them properly here. In third one, you have to put the dry seeds. No water will be there in the third bowl. Okay, in
मेरी बैटरी खत्म हो गया मैडम.
put it at the
बैटरी
charge.
खत्म हो गया है तो फिर चार्ज करके आओ ना
Charge
बैटरी
करो.
को.
Okay, in third
कितनी
one,
यूज करते हो?
you have to put the dry seeds. Please don't say ma'am. Please don't interrupt. Yes.
First bowl there are water.
In first bowl you have to take chana and then you have to put water. In second bowl you have to take damp cotton. You have to put little water and then you have to put the chana and moong. And in third you don't have to put water. You will just place it like this only. Okay. Dry only. No water in the third one. Now you have to cover this 3 bowls with a plate. Okay. I have covered it with a plate. After 2 to 3 days, 1 or 2 days you will see what happens. Okay, in 1 to 2 days you will see the changes here. Okay, in first one you will see they have swelled up, the seeds have swelled up in the first one. Okay, in second one, see, you can see the sprouted one. Okay, in second one you will see the chana and the moong has sprouted. See here, you can see the beautiful sprout here in the chana and the moong. Okay, in the second one, in which you have taken the cotton here. Okay, in the
कॉटन में डालने से स्प्राउट आ जाता है.
वो मैं बताऊंगी अभी कि कैसे आता है, कॉटन में आता है या कैसे आता है. ठीक है, ये अभी आपको सोचना है कि कैसे आता है. See, in third one there is nothing because you haven't put anything. So this one was first, second and third. Okay, so am I clear with this activity? 5th and
Yes,
so you have to do this. You have to do this activity at home like this only, and you have to record the changes. Now,
Ma'am, in first one there are water.
sorry.
In first bowl there are water.
Ma'am, I do in my house, my
Okay, so now we will record here. Now we have taken 3 bowls. Now first one, what did we do? That we will record it here. See, are the seeds getting? See, I have taken first bowl, second bowl, and third bowl. Okay, in bowl 1 I have just put water and seeds. Okay, seeds and water. In second bowl I have taken cotton and then seeds and little water. You have to wet this. Okay, in third one you have to take dry seeds. Okay, third one. Now in first one, are the seeds getting air? In the first one there was no air because the water was Please mute yourself, 5th A and B. Mute yourself. How many times I have to say one thing? Dinesh, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay. In the first one, there was no air. Why? Because the seeds were in water. It was filled with water, so there was no air. There was no place to go to. Air has no place to go inside. Okay. In second one, we have taken wet cotton and little bit of seeds, and there was space for the air to go inside. In second one, there was space for the air to go to the seeds. Okay, from above there was space. In third one, there was no water, but there was air. Okay, in third one. Now tell me, are the seeds getting water in bowl 1? In bowl 1, do you think there was water in the first bowl?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, there was water. In second bowl, there was water. Bowl 2. Yes. In third bowl, there was water or not? Third. No. There was no water in the third one. Now, what changes did you see? What changes did you see? First, you can see in first one the seeds were swelled up. Okay, seeds were swelled up. In second, please mute yourself. In second one, you can see they sprouted. In second one, there was sprouts. After swelling, it sprouted. In third one, there was no change. Okay, so have the seeds sprouted? In the first one, there was no sprout. In second one, there was yes. And in third, there was no. Okay, so these were our observations. Okay, now please mute yourself, and I will take the names. That person will only answer. Okay, you have seen the activity, you have recorded the observations, what we have done. Now, which bowl did you see the sprout? Okay, from 5th B, Rakshita is here. Rakshita, 5th B, Rakshita. 5th B. Can you hear me? Please, first of all, mute yourself. This is the problem with you. Next time, I will not take any class. Do the syllabus yourself. In which bowl did the seed sprout? Okay, from 5th A, Revant. Revant is here. No, Ishant, mute yourself. Revant is here. Revant. Revant, can you hear me? Revant is not here.
Please respond better.
He is here, but
You're
he is not
listening.
listening.
Unmute yourself.
Okay, I'll call from 5th B. Arushi, stop presenting. Sir, my presentation is gone.
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
Wait, you present all the time. You present in between. It stops the presentation. How many times we have to say you the same thing? I can't understand this. Every time the same problem. Again, she's presenting.
Vishishta, sit properly.
Again, Arushi is presenting. Arushi, stop presenting.
Again, somebody is
Ma'am,
presenting.
how are you presenting?
Arushi, stop presenting.
You can continue, madam. Now she is.
My screen is not coming now. Please, 5th A and B, don't present every time.
Somebody's presenting.
Wait, I'm presenting now.
No, it's coming, madam.
Okay.
It's coming.
So, First one. Okay.
Yes, you can
In which
continue.
bowl did the seed sprout? From 5th A, Vrinda, can you hear me?
Ma'am, Akshara, ma'am.
Don't take your name.
Yeah, ma'am.
Vrinda, tell me in which bowl did the seed sprout?
Bowl 2.
Bowl 2, very good.
Number 2.
Number 2, very good. Okay, now good. Mute yourself. What difference did you see between this bowl and other bowls? What was the difference between bowl 2 and the other bowls? From 5th A, Navneet is here. Navneet,
Ma'am, I want to tell my
Navneet, Navneet, say just say yes or no. Can you hear me? Somebody is presenting. Again, somebody is presented in between.
Ma'am, Ishant.
Ishant, don't present in between. Okay, from 5th A, Vishishta. Vishishta is here. Vishishta. Sanvi, please don't take your name. I'll take the name. Let me give chance to everyone. Vishishta,
Time is over.
what difference did you see between this bowl and the other bowls?
Ma'am,
Tell me, what was the difference between bowl 2 and bowl 1 and 3?
bowl 1, bowl 1 seeds had swelled up.
Bowl 1 seeds have swelled up, okay. In bowl 2,
They have sprouted.
yes. And how they sprouted? In bowl 2, you have seen the seeds were getting air and water both. Okay. In first bowl, there was water but no air. In seed bowl 2, there was air and water. So to seeds to be sprouted, there are some conditions. Okay. Okay, what do you think? If you will keep these seeds in refrigerator or fridge, will they sprout? 5th A and B. No. If you will keep the seeds in the refrigerator, they will not sprout. They will not sprout. Why? Because there are 3 conditions for the seeds to sprout. First one is
Ma'am, there is no air and water.
second, air, water, and third is temperature. They need warm temperature. Okay. So seeds to be sprouted, there are 3 conditions. It should have air, it should have water, and warm temperature. Sorry. Okay, for this we will take up till here only. In next session we will continue with the other things. Okay. Till here, your homework is to perform this activity at home and send me your sprouted. Send me your sprouted. 5th A and B, listen to me carefully. Do this activity at home and send me the sprouted picture of the sprouted seeds. Okay? Okay? You will rest. We will do it later. Homework I will give you. Homework is to do this activity. Mute your. Now you can leave the class. Yes. Do you want the video? I will give you the video. I will send the video in the group. Okay. Rest homework will be given in the group. Swatika, mute yourself.
But I forgot to click the picture.
Okay, now those who have doubt they can ask. Others can leave the class. For today, you have to just do this activity. Okay.
Ma'am, every day class will over at 11:40. Ma'am.
It is 11:40 now, na? 39 it's 40. In 1 minute you will remove, na? They will go. If you have doubt, in 1 minute we will take up. It's 11:40 now.
Ma'am, Tejas is telling
Ma'am, I have did that experiment, but
It
I
will take
forgot
12
to click
you
that
to-
picture. Shall I do once again?
Sorry? No, if you have done, you can just send the picture. If you have completed the activity,
Ma'am, but
send
I
the picture.
forgot. Ma'am, but I forgot to take the picture, ma'am.
So do it again. Do it again and then send the picture. Please send the picture of your activity personally. Okay.
Listen, everybody listen. New admissions. New
Okay.
admissions,
Ma'am.
please stay here. Others, please remove yourself. Fast.
Ma'am,
On the count of 5. 1,
Please.
at 13 August, I will send that picture.
Okay, you can send. Please
okay.
remove yourself now.
New admissions, please stay here.
We will please send your doubts to me on the WhatsApp. Okay. Send your doubts
Okay.
on WhatsApp. Type and send. Okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I have one doubt.
Who is having doubt?
Send your doubts personally.
Send
to
your
Himanshi ma'am.
doubts to me personally. If write and send to me, I will give you the answers. I'll give you the answer there. Okay?
Ma'am, please, ma'am. I
Yes.
have one doubt.
Who is saying this? Ishant?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Say.
Hi, ma'am.
ईशांत कुछ कहना है आपको?
मैम
हाँ.
मेरा मम्मा भी कल सुना और वाटर में डाल दिया मैम।
अब आपकी मम्मा ये डेली करती है ना, तो आप अब ये जो एक्टिविटी है आप एक दिन इसकी फोटो लोगे, ठीक है? मम्मा को मत बोलना फोटो लो, आप फोटो क्लिक करोगे, ठीक है? स्प्राउट होने के बाद फोटो लेना है और फिर मुझे भेजना है, ठीक है? ओके गुड. सो रेस्ट यू कैन लीव. न्यू स्टूडेंट्स विल स्टे हेयर, रेस्ट विल गो.
Bye, ma'am.
बाय. कौशिक, DB चरण, B श्रीनिका, लीव द क्लास. Leave the class.
Yes, Kritika. Do you have any doubt? Kritika? First of all, unmute yourself, beta. The option is
Okay,
there.
so let me remove others. Ankita, okay, 3 are here from Ankita.
Option is there, no? Option is
Ankita,
there. See,
Bharani,
mic option is
and
there.
who else
Suman.
are here? Suman,
Vrinda.
and then Vrinda. Vrinda, these fourth one is Kritika. Any doubt?
No.
Clear?
Kritika has.
Kritika, why? What happened? Please unmute yourself. Kritika, unmute करो अपनी स्क्रीन पे. Unmute करो अपने आप को. स्पीकर ऑन
Tell
करो.
your mother to unmute. Tell
हेल्प
your
लो,
mother to
मम्मी
unmute.
या पापा से हेल्प लो और अपना स्पीकर ऑन करो. आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Tell your mother to unmute, beta.
వాళ్ళు పేపర్లో రాసుకుంటారు, వాళ్ళు పేపర్ చదువుతుంటారు.
Somebody
Anita,
join.
what happened?
పేపర్లో రాసుకుంటారు.
Ishant joined again.
Oh, I am denying the entry and then they are joining again. Okay, so Kritika, what happened? Are you okay?
इतना डरी हुई क्यों लग रही
हाँ,
है?
ये डरी
क्या
हुई,
हुआ?
ये कल से डरी हुई है. कृतिका,
क्या हुआ? अच्छा नहीं
कुछ
है
हो
न्यूज़
गया
में,
है?
अभी देखा ही नहीं.
हाँ, what happened?
सन्मुख साई, क्या हुआ?
Shanmukh Sai, why are you again here? The class is over.
फिर याद आई हमारी.
Class is over. Only new students will remain here. Others will go.
हाँ
Okay.
बेटा बोलो, क्यों डरा हुआ फेस बना हुआ है तुम्हारा? हाँ क्या हुआ? अच्छा नहीं है, न्यू स्कूल अच्छा नहीं लगा? स्कूल देखा ही नहीं अभी तक तो.
स्कूल नहीं देखा ना
ये भी
इन्होंने.
तो बात है ना.
हाँ. कृतिका,
देख लो, देख
आप
लो.
अपनी मम्मा की हेल्प लो. कृतिका, मम्मा की हेल्प लेके स्पीकर ऑन करो. स्पीकर को
वो
ऑन
देखो
करो.
वहाँ पे रेड सा
आपको रेड रेड दिख रहा है?
माइक का ऑप्शन
एक माइक आप
ऑप्शन दिखेगा. मम्मा को बोलो सामने आए, कैमरा के सामने आए. बोलो ना, आप देख रहे हो मम्मा को.
बुलाओ.
मतलब कि
अच्छा
देख रहे हो
मम्मा
ना?
को बुलाओ, मम्मा या पापा को बुलाओ. बोलो मैम और सर को बात करनी है. बुलाओ, बुलाओ. हाँ, मम्मा और पापा को बुलाओ और बोलो मैम और सर को बात करनी है. बुलाओ, अभी इधर बुलाओ, अपने पास बुलाओ. कॉल देम, अपने पास बुलाओ उन्हें.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है, नहीं बुलाना है, मत बुलाओ। यहाँ स्क्रीन पे टच करो, ऐसे एक बार ना टच करो, उसके नीचे एक माइक जैसा ऑप्शन दिखेगा तुम्हें, उस पे क्लिक करना है बस। टच करो एक बार माइक स्क्रीन को, ऐसे स्क्रीन को टच करो ना। लैपटॉप यूज
सर
कर रही हो
मैं
सौम्या था?
एक मिनट सर
लैपटॉप यूज कर रही हो?
मैं प्रेजेंट करके शो करूं कैसे करना है?
हाँ वैसे दिखा सकते हैं ना।
आप एक बार, मैं प्रेजेंट करती हूँ और एक बार ये इनको शो करते हैं कि कैसे अनम्यूट करना है। मे बी इसको फिर आ जाए। ओके
ओके।
ओके सो
सुमन को भी नहीं आता है ना? सुमन तुम्हें
नहीं,
भी आता है?
सुमन ने तो कर लिया था
अनम्यूट
ना।
करना नहीं आता?
सुमन अनम्यूट हो जाता है आपसे। ये देखो मेरी स्क्रीन आपको दिख रही होगी। ओके, ये मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है आप सबको? कृतिका दिख रहा है आपको? हाँ ना बोलो, दिख रहा है? कृतिका हाँ या ना
शो
बोलो।
योर थंब बेटा, थंब शो करो, ऐसे दिख रहा है तो? स्क्रीन
दिख
दिख
रहा
रही है
है?
ना, वहां पे ऑप्शन है देखो।
ये देखो नीचे, ये आपको 3 ऑप्शंस दिख रहे हैं ना, ये 3 ऑप्शंस, एक ये वाला पहले वाला, ये सेकंड और ये थर्ड। ये पहले वाला ऑप्शन है ना, इसे क्लिक करो आप, इस पे क्लिक करो। ऐसे क्लिक करोगे ये बंद हो जाएगा। अब इसे क्लिक करोगे तो ये दोबारा ऑन हो जाएगा। ठीक है,
क्लिक करो बेटा।
क्लिक करो इन 3 ऑप्शंस को। नीचे देखो आपके पास 3 ऑप्शंस है स्क्रीन पे, इसको क्लिक करो, फर्स्ट वाले को क्लिक करो। आई थिंक क्या हुआ?
नहीं हो रहा है क्या?
नहीं हुआ।
ओके फिर से देखते हैं, चलो।
ओके सुमन, आपको अनम्यूट करना आ रहा है?
ये ऑप्शन है यहाँ पे,
3 ऑप्शन है ना।
ये एरो देखो, एरो कहाँ जा रहा है, ये देखो, टर्न ऑफ माइक्रोफोन, ये है ना, यहाँ पे लिखा होगा टर्न ऑन माइक्रोफोन, टर्न ऑन माइक्रोफोन।
ऐसे कृतिका
देखो
अपनी स्क्रीन पे टच करो एक बार, ये 3 ऑप्शंस
ये
में
है, ये
फर्स्ट पे क्लिक करो।
देखो कर्सर कहाँ जा रहा है, ये देखो, आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है ऑप्शन?
करो, ट्राई करो।
स्क्रीन पे टच करने से आता है।
अ,
मोबाइल यूज कर रहे हैं या
भरानी,
लैपटॉप? लैपटॉप के लिए
भरानी
लैपटॉप यूज कर
सुमन,
रहे हैं शौमिया था?
वो बोल
शौमिया
रही
था,
है,
लैपटॉप यूज कर रहे
वो
हैं
बोल
शौमिया था?
रही है बट उसे अनम्यूट नहीं
हाँ
पता।
वही,
वो
माइक
बोल रही है।
उसका अनम्यूट नहीं है।
कोई
माइक
कृतिका
ऑन
मम्मी
करना
या
है।
पापा को बुलाओ और बोलो कि मम्मी को बुलाओ, बुलाओ मम्मा या पापा को। वो देख,
मैडम
एक्सक्यूज मी,
ऑप्शन इज देयर ना मैडम, वन ऑप्शन इज देयर, सी दिस वन,
नीचे
turn
अनम्यूट,
on microphone
इसको
or control D. If you are using laptop, then press control D, control plus D.
आप अपनी स्क्रीन पे, मोबाइल फोन से हैं तो अपनी स्क्रीन पे टच करिए, नीचे 3 ऑप्शंस हैं। फर्स्ट वाला माइक्रोफोन है, माइक्रोफोन स्पीकर है वो बोलने के लिए है। आई थिंक शी लेफ्ट, उसने क्रॉस कर दिया है।
I think they have removed.
हाँ यस, शी लेफ्ट।
Okay, सुमन से बात कर लेते हैं।
सुमन,
सुमन
सुमन
अनम्यूट
आप,
करो
हाँ
बेटा।
वो अनम्यूट कर
हाँ
लिया उसने।
yes, you're ना? Okay,
Okay.
anything else?
ना,
Any
is
doubt?
any doubt?
Any doubt you can ask.
Oh, she came again, tell them again, she will be able to do
Ah
that.
yes. Okay madam, screen is visible na? See here, the option is there. Turn on or press Control D. If you are using laptop or computer, then simply Control plus D. Press Control plus D. If you are using mobile, then touch the screen. Option is there. See, turn on microphone. This is your microphone. See. ओके मैडम, इवनिंग को मैं बताता हूँ कैसे करना है, सर भी आएंगे ना,
Okay,
सर
okay,
आएंगे वापस, तो ठीक है?
ओके
ओके,
ओके एवरीवन सर आप
नाउ यू कैन रिमूव।
आप अपनी शेयरिंग ओके
हाँ,
इज
यस।
एनी डाउट अंकिता वृंदा एनी डाउट भरानी भरानी कोई डाउट है आपको
नो मैम।
क्लासेस अच्छी लग रही हैं कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है क्लासेस ठीक है डेली आना है ठीक है और काम भी करना है ठीक है ओके हो सब ठीक है अंकिता
यस मैम।
आपको 4 मैं नोटबुक्स बता रही हूँ 4 नोटबुक्स हैं ठीक है इंग्लिश हिंदी मैथ्स ईवीएस 4 नोटबुक्स खरीदो और उसमें जितना भी काम है कंप्लीट करो प्रीवियस काम जो मैंने भेजा है वो कंप्लीट करो और आज वाला जो होमवर्क है यू हैव टू जस्ट डू द एक्टिविटी सिर्फ एक्टिविटी करनी है ठीक है ठीक है कोई डाउट हो तो आप पर्सनली मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे भेज सकते हो ठीक है ओके गुड नाउ आप क्लास लीव कर सकते हो कोई डाउट हो तो व्हाट्सएप पे भेजना ठीक है
मैम।
ओके ओके
बाय टीचर।
बाय बाय ओके टेक केयर बाय
Bye, teacher.
बाय